Welcome back, everybody. Today out in the shop we have a GM 4.8 liter Vortec engine. Now this engine is part of the LS family and it can be found in your 99 to 07 truck, van, or SUV. Now today Elena is going to talk about some of the features on the engine.
So we affectionately refer to this engine here at Powertrain Products as the Baby LS, and that is because it is actually the smallest Vortec in GM's lineup. Now before we start talking about the upgrades and features, I want to talk to you about the valve covers. You can clearly see here in today's video that they are installed on the unit. I want to note this will not always be the case, as the installation of them does depend upon availability, and I always recommend that you should just ask your drivetrain genius as to whether or not your engine will come with the valve covers installed. Now, in talking about the upgrades, we've got hyper-eutectic graphite-coated pistons on this engine that ensure longer cylinder bore life. It does have improved head gaskets over OEM quality. It has Viton valve seals, as well as a new high-volume oil pump and pickup tube and a heavy-duty timing set. The unit is sim-tested to ensure operability before we ship it out to you, and it is backed by our Powertrain promise.
So when you're ready, give us a call at 888-842-0023.